Well, this next poem uh, was the first poem I had nominated for a Pushcart Prize. Like so many people, I was nominated and didn't get it. But that's beside the point. I somehow got the idea that it would be interesting to imagine if I were a woman. And so, based on that, I wrote this poem called YIN. When I am a woman, I move down the street just so. I'm aware of my body and all the parts fit together, just so. The hair on my neck is like a warm breath. When I am a woman, the light is longer for me, waiting to cross the street. I see the way cars slow down when I'm a woman. The first step out the door is a double Dutch dare. I am prepared to back up. I am determined. When I am a woman, I listen to the night. My sisters and I look to the sky. My six senses work overtime. When I am a woman, I become dark and move more slowly. I stay near water. There is music in my head. You might not know I'm singing.